Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm sharing the second corner of our homeschool room in the series where I'll be showing you the room altogether. But this is the second corner of my room. Again, it's a bookshelf because I told we had lots of bookshelves. So this is a bookshelf which is just a trolley. It was a kitchen trolley which I used as a bookshelf. Uh, Mainly it has three kind of things. One is my own books because I told you I have been thrown out of my room because my husband is working from home. So my own books, which used to be in my bedroom, now they have come here because I spend most of the time here now. And second is other books which are read alouds. I do one read aloud per month or so. I am not like a morning basket thing, but I do read aloud of the books. Two kind of books I do read aloud. One which I would like to read to my little one because she can't read, like we are doing this read aloud now. This is the book. It doesn't focus. This is the book The Snow Queen, which is actually the book from which Frozen movie is inspired. So I wanted to do this read aloud for my younger one. Elder one has read it, it seems. So this is one book. So this has my read aloud book. So the book I am reading read aloud, they are not allowed to read that. Even my elder one cannot pick up a book from here and read aloud. So she said, I know the story, I've read it long back, I don't know, but so that is one. I keep my current read aloud here, so that it doesn't get lost in my big bookshelf somewhere kept by someone like that. The third thing which I keep here are the books which are for my elder one, which I have ordered for my elder one, but I will not give it to her because I want to scan them. Uh, in the sense, I've done this mistake beforehand. I tell parents also that when the kids go to chapter books, be very sure that what kind of author, what kind of books you're picking up, because every child is different. My kids are very sensitive, and not all the books are good from all the authors. I had some Eric Blyton books which did not have the language which I allow in my house, and my girl picked up because I thought Eric Blyton I have not read in my childhood. I think everyone is reading. I got a lot of Eric Blyton for her, and yes, some words she picked up which were objectionable to me, and she told I read this word in this book. So just telling you the background, that from that experience, and it was a very bitter experience as a mom, that from that experience I have learned that before any books go to her shelf, I scan it for the kind of words, for the kind of sensitive issues, because there are some books which are very good, but some mention about like Pollyanna. Pollyanna is a lovely book, but in Pollyanna, the girls become paralyzed below legs or like handicapped, and that is painful. That is painful for my child, and thankfully, I did a read aloud. So when the topic came, when my girl would have, if she would have been reading herself, she would have completely shut down. But because I was reading to her, I could talk about it, about life things. So here, and so this has a lot of books here which have yet to be scanned by me because I don't have time. But like this book I ordered, it's by Rudyard Kipling. So it has good recommendation. It is Skim by Rudyard Kipling. Again, I have not read these books in my childhood, तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता इनके अंदर क्या है. But I like the story. I've heard about this author. So I want to, either I will do a read aloud of this book for my girls, or I will just scan it myself. Some books are easy read, I can scan it myself before I put in the main bookshelf which she can pick up. Like for this book is, again, it's a very cute book. It is a doggy, and my girl loves all the doggy books, and it is about a dog who's a very faithful dog, but again it talks about a death. His owner dies, but how he stays with his owner till he dies. So it's a very beautiful book, but again I will not let Sanvi read it herself for the first time. I will do a read aloud so that I can address the topic of death, about losing your owner in a in a parent way. So now that Pollyanna has gone in the main shelf, she picks it up and reads herself. Just telling you the idea. So yes, I have lots of books here which are yet to be scanned by me, which I am doing read aloud. And the third thing which stays here is very important, is like books like these. So I'll tell you what the story about these books. Again, as the kids are getting older, I'm talking only about my elder one. There is nothing to talk. जैसे कहते हैं ना, बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, पहले तो वो तुम्हें कर्ल करते थे, तुम्हारे साथ खेलते थे. अब जैसे मेरी बड़ी वाली है, वो बुक्स पढ़ती है, स्कूलिंग करती है, बट यू नो शी वो बड़ी हो गई है, यू नो मेच्योर हो जाते हैं. सो व्हाट डू आई टॉक टू हर. जब हैरी पॉटर फेस थी, इट वॉज अमेजिंग. आई लव हैरी पॉटर एंड यू नो वील बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट हैरी पॉटर इन एंड आउट ऑन डाइनिंग टेबल, ऑन जस्ट स्कूलिंग टाइम, बिकॉज अगेन इट कनेक्टेड अस. बट अब हैरी पॉटर में वो बहुत डीप चली गई है, जो मुझे ज़्यादा पता है नहीं. बट स्टिल अदर बुक्स विच इज़ रीडिंग, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट रीड दैम, आई हैव नॉट रेड दैम इन माई चाइल्डहुड, आई कैन नॉट डिस्कस दीज बुक्स विद हर. And that is hard, because then what do I talk to her? I literally do not have anything to talk to her, because all she wants to talk about is books, and she reads very good books and whatever. COVID में तो वैसे ही कुछ नहीं बचा है. तो that's why we have started, like from last 1 month, that I ask her that, you know, give me 3 of your favorite books which you think mama should read. um, so I have scanned those books but still not read them, or I've forgotten about them. So and like book like the Bible, children's Bible, I have scanned it, I know the stories, but you know, nothing discussion wise. So now every month or so, depending on my speed, she give me 3 books, like mama, you read them. So I read them. I discuss about the characters. Like last time she gave me Pippi Longstocking. uh, so I told, like, you know, I like that part. She gave me another one, Encyclopedia Boy, something that was also a short book story. It was also interesting story, and I said, yeah, Sanvi, I like that part so much. Basically, you know what, I talked to her. This is thing that I read few of her books, 3 books per month or 2 months, depending on the size of book. And then she feels happy that, you know, mama is reading my books. And she tells me, mama, oh, did you read that story of that? Mama, I think that king was really cruel, but we were reading the Bible story. And then, you know, we can discuss things. So yes, so this shelf has all that stuff. The books I read aloud, the books I want to read aloud or scan, the books which have been given to me by her to read as my assignment, my own parenting books or self-help books or whatever I like to read. And yeah, apart from that, some school stuff, like I've done this one. This is her school book report we have started. There is their copy work, you know, which are like more homeschool stuff, because I have space, I put that here. So yes, this is a very important part of our homeschool, and hope you if you want to see, like, just want to see this ones. So this is their grammar book, some spelling school homeschool books also here. This is my habits of effective people. I have some parent traps books. There's a word search, because, you know, this is for me, because when I get bored in the home, so I do these kind of games for myself. I wanted this thing for her, Darwin's Most Wonderful Plants. This is biology book, but I love by nature, I love biology subject as such, so I wanted to read that book. And then this is Julia Donaldson rhymes book, which is not very good, but yeah, I like to read sometimes. And yeah, so yeah, this is the story, this is a diary which I told in one of the videos, right? Me and my daughter write letters to each other. So this is a letter book in which I write letter to her or she writes to me. So basically it's I initiated, so it's kept here. When I will be like really emotional or something I want to talk to her, I'll write in this story and give it to her. And below also we have Percy Jackson. We have lot of books, you know. I have a lot of books to, you know, scan through. I have books of history of India which I have no clue but I know I need to teach her in some years. So yeah, I have put Shakespeare there. A lot of books I have, which I am planning to read and then, you know, bring up in a homeschool. So it's kind of say Mama's homework. You can say it Mama homework shelf. So hope you enjoyed this shelf with me, and see you later. Bye bye.